This is your secret to cracking class 10 maths. Save this video and follow along for 100 essential questions. Question number 83. The sides of the triangle ABC are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Find the perimeter of the larger triangle which is similar to the triangle ABC if the ratio of the corresponding sides is 2. Let's start. So it is given to you that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Then the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal and the ratio is given to you 2. So we can write PQ upon AB is equal to QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC and that is equal to 2. Now the lengths of the triangle ABC are already given, so let's put the values. AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 10. Now you can write PQ upon 6 is equal to 2, that will give you PQ is equal to 12 cm. QR upon 8 is equal to 2, that will give you QR equal to 16 cm. And PR upon 10, that is equal to 2, which will give you PR equal to 20 cm. So in this way we got all the three sides of the triangle PQR. Now you can easily calculate the perimeter. Just add all the lengths, 12 plus 16 plus 20, and that is equal to 48 cm. That's it.